How to fix Viber notification problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Viber application on your device. So let's search for Viber. And as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on settings of the device. Or you can just go to the Viber application and press long and tap on app info. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom. Tap on it. Clear cache. Then tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have enabled all the options required for the applications. Go back and tap on notification. Make sure that you toggle this on and check if there are any other required toggling on options. After that, go back and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.